Hello guys, this is Janatullah Bhubon and welcome to my channel Bhuvan Vlogs. Guys, today I'm going to unbox a mysterious box which is sent from the company named Nagad. And for your kind information, Nagad is a Bangladeshi company which is a mainly transactional company, and this company provides many kinds of services to transfer money from one place to another throughout the country as well as in another countries. Mainly, I want to give thanks to the owner and managing director of this company and the creative team whom has made this box, and the people who are working in this company and making it a better one. Guys, mainly the gift is here, and you can see the bag. Here's a nice design, and here's a Bengali word written in a red word named Nagad, and Nagad means in cash. And here's a little information about this company, and it says in Bengali, Dak Bibhager Digital Lenden, and it means in English a digital transaction in the post sector, and mainly the post sector. It is a government service, so it means digital transaction of post sector. And here is given a little information about the website of Nagad, and here is a hotline, and here is a number to contact this company. So guys, I cannot wait to unbox it. So without wasting any time, let's unbox. Guys, mainly this is the bag, and the design is just wow. As I've said previously, the design is showing a person running with a hurricane and a bag full of newses and the money to transfer. This is the structure of this wonderful design. So let's open this bag. If we open this bag, simply we have to do this, and if we open up this bag, here is a suitcase type box which is covered with a bunch of polythene kinds of bag to keep it protected. Okay, so let's open this polythene bag. The polythene bag was not opening easily, so I have to tear it apart. It's so strong. After getting this suitcase type box out of the polythene bag, we can see literally a box which is made of wood and the design is the same as we have seen in the bag, and this design structure is also made of wood. If you see closely, you can see it's made of wood, this design, and we can literally feel the wood which is polished. No dust, no dirty type of things. It's just amazing. As you can see, the whole box is made of wood. The back side, every side is just amazing. And here is a small lock which we have to just do this, then it will open. After opening this, yes, that's what Nagad has just sent us. A mysterious box full of money bags and also a belt. As we can see, the box its structure is just full of foam, strong foam, and it's just amazing. It looks like, you know, it, it gives us feeling of premium. It feels like so premium, and it's very premium. As we can see inside, the whole structure, we are feeling this is premium. It's a feel of premium. Okay, here is the first one. Mainly this is a bigger version of money bag, and there's a little type of branding named after my father, J.N.B. If we see inside the money bag, we can literally feel how premium is this. There is a different kinds of sections in this money bag. Also a section, chained up section. You can put your necessary items here, as well as money, cards, etc. Then here is a casual money bag. There is also a branding named after my father, Humayun Kabir. Literally, this casual money bag is also like a premium. It feels like really premium, you know. If you see inside, the whole finishing is just amazing. It's just amazing. There is a bigger money bag, of course. It's like a wallet type of purse for men. You can put your mobile or power banks in here. There's a lot of sections here. You can put your necessary items like your mobiles, power banks, even data cables. Even if you want, you can also put a charger, a little type of charger here to keep your phone charged. And there's a foam magnet which attached. If we just close this, it's simply attached without any problems. And here's also branding of my father's name. So There's another section here. It's a belt. It's a leather belt. Guys, this is just amazing. The structure, the whole stitching is just amazing, literally amazing. I want to thank the creative team of Nagad for making this beautiful box full of beautiful utilities to use. And the I can, if I get the chance to meet with the planner of this, I want to give him a huge thanks. He has just made a plan which can be used for day-to-day lives. And for your kind information, here is another branding in this belt. Also in this belt, another branding of the name of my father, Humayun Kabir. Then they have given, like, seriously, how they know my father uses a bike? No, I'm just joking. This is a necessary thing in our day-to-day life. We have to put our keys. We put our keys somewhere and we can't find in the time of need. For making the key arranged, they've just given a key ring which we can use in the bike or the car, or we can use also for our house. And here's the another branding of my father name. So guys, I didn't notice, but there's another section. I think it's just a steel type of thing. Oh, sorry guys, this is the pointer of the belt. Oh my god, this is the pointer of the belt. Simply we have to just press it, and there will be a point which we can attach with the belt as our waist. So amazing, literally amazing. They have just given a pointer for making this belt suitable. So guys, today's video is just for this. So thank you. I want to give thanks to the Nagad team for providing us a nice mysterious gift box, and I want to thank the owner of the Nagad, the managing director, and the creative team, and the people who are working in this company to make this a great one, as well as to make our country digitalized country. And that's all for today. Hope you guys are safe in this pandemic situation. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, just press the like button, and if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post any kinds of videos or anything. Till then, stay home, stay safe, goodbye.